Abanyishenjero abakachiko k'ebya science na technologia nibo batayire company ya Global Auto Systems okushizima emirimo ebatwire nibakora bwema ya government kubaha sente zo kukora stage okuruga omu kihingwa kya muhogo ahari miliyoni 300 ezashabirwe government ekabaho miliyoni 89 kandi abanyishenjero bababurize 45 okumanya eki sente ezi zakozire ekitangarize ba MP n'okushangwa hari miliyoni 89 ezabahirwe hariho omuntu kuruga omu government owabashabireho miliyoni 20 baba nibenda emirimo yabo okutambura kurungi.
And now sometimes I think I'm coming to realize why this ministry was disbanded. A lot of money I think was spent in research, in workshops, in whatever, but nothing tangible came out of this. If you see the expenditure, the 28 million and whatever, all those things, no impact.
Engineer Mackenzie Taylor omukugu omu company egi ashoborire ngu sente zikakoresebwa otireho n'okutandikaho office okuhesha sample z'ekyoma ekirize kugurwa government yabongera ezindi.
What differentiates us is that one, we are having a low cost and portable device that we can actually take to the actual farmer. We empower this farmer and then he or she is able to produce the starch. We go ahead to do testing of the quality with by the quality standards agencies, and then our model was that we provide or we look out for the market for this farmer.
Ba MP borekire kuba rukwija kuwera company egi kureba ngo emirimo yatandikaho ahabo kuba nehwera ihanga.
So ati tuliyo mbwe tuganira na abo biyamba abandi abakubasa kutuyamba mu kintu eki konka still project egi neyitu na government okureka twera abantu bita bahansi.
Uganda na importing a starch. Akwa starch ne mu ingredients ezikwezenswa kore mbazi. Hato mu Uganda tune pharmaceutical industries nyingi munonga ezigone coming up ate mbazi niyo emingi yora ne kurwa mu Uganda no zakwa ARVs konko mbiba kwezenswa kore mbazi haramuna starch. Hat kandi starch tuji importing akurga China tuteka musente nyingi kwiza kugezo nusakore mbazi mu Uganda. Ngo ni Uganda ekurabiro mu science and technology nebireterero plan kugira ngo efune innovators abakubasa kore cyoma ekirazo mu muhogo yito ya Uganda kikiha mu starch je kezo zibon pharmaceutical industries kukore mubazi.
Omugandi Mbarara High School etongere bukwato byo kushomesa science hamwe no China kandi bukwato ebi bihirweyo company ya Tiantang Group kurwo mu China.
Nabwo cyo baturetero buyambe bw'amani kishomero baturetero byo kwegisa ururimo rwo China byo gukoresa mu video classes zo gukoresa mu bitabo mu library kandi n'ikindi baturetera screens mpango munonga za 55 inch nazo izo kwegisa zaho tunkaba yuhum tujya kusupportinga Mbarara High School abo mukuru wabo za kubaha sande zo kuba hosting amashobora mingi competinga mu music dance and drama bakosa ururimo rwa China twaba supportinga na ibyo kushomesa nk'ibitabo friends na n'ibindi Karims bamuhereza na TVs ibintu bikubasa kubarwa mu miliyoni 5.
Ebintu bija kukoresebwa aha mukorogo byeshongoro n'amazina Gold China omumpaka zihanga ryona eziratebekanisiibwa hari Mbarara High School orwa mukagoru gasha kwa Ram Edwin.